Bob Huber, Vintage Lambo, and I'll cut to the chase. Yes, the radiator and fans are now in. It's a nice installation, and I'll tell you what I went through to do this. I'll try not to be too long on this thing. I'll try to snippet the thing, and so please follow along. So let's roll the film. Printed a bunch of brackets so that we can hold that shroud so I can cut it, hopefully with a steady hand. See what we can do here. Nothing's perfect, so I just see if I can smooth it out a little bit. Okay, there you go. I'm just going to put some paint right on the edge there. That's the only thing that I really have to, so that's all it's going to get. I have it next to the original, so you can see there's a difference right there in the height. So I think that we should be good now. So I'm just gonna, put her together and see if she flies. All right, let's take care of some birders and whatnot. Made some modifications, as you know, from trimming the fan shroud, but also trimmed the brackets that hold the bottom of the fan shroud on. I'm trying to grasp every little quarter inch, eighth of an inch I can get to see if I can now put this actually up into the car with the fans on. So that's the next attempt. All right, inching upwards, how about that? So we're going to give this a go. I'm going to try and get above the lower frame member now with the upper radiator where the hose goes in, right in the center of this radiator at the top tank. I don't know if you can really see how well through the grill. There's the radiator right there. This is where it's positioned right now. You can see I have to go up another foot or so to get it in. But so far, it's going in. And I will just say it's tight, but it is going in. So it's going to be pretty crucial fairly soon here. I don't know how well you see this, but I'm almost there. Just a fraction more to go up. The fans are just clearing. I mean, that's a good space now, but it was much tighter before. I think I'm going to make it to this point. And of course, I can't say anything yet, but I'm getting confidence. But it just slowly. Okay, we've got radiator and fans are now in. Once it's in, you think there's tons of room, but she just made it in, and that's what counts. Well, we got it in. So anyway, it was a bit of a struggle, but we got it in. It's a clean installation. Everything's going to work out just fine. Okay, so please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye-bye now.